What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good evening. I wanted to do a quick video to show. I was at my mother-in-law's house and I was mowing her grass, and she asked me if I wanted this. It's like a water filter. Uh, it's a what you call a baby angel or something, whatever it is, water filter. Um, it's got, let's see here, one, two, three, four, I guess like four angels or something, whatever it is. This is where the water comes out right there. And obviously it fills up in here, which is really dirty. This is also dirty too. And if I spin it off like this, set this down here, okay, there's the hole down there. Wow, I can see ground. Cool. Anyway, put this back here. Okay, so it's got a screw here, and it's got a screw right there. And yeah, so that's what the bottom. Ooh, I can see ground again. There's what the insides look like. Put this back up, and this one right here, this right here, if I flip, is a I think it's like a hose or something stuck out from the top of it, and I guess it fills up, and I guess the water comes out of that right there. Okay, and it basically just sits right back down here like so. There we go. It sits down like this. Sits like that. And so yeah, she didn't know if she had the pump or not, or if no, she doesn't know if she does or doesn't. But she said she's gonna check into it for me and to find out, because I think it'd be pretty kind of cool putting the pump, I guess up inside of here somewhere, I guess, or if it goes in here and then the water comes out like I mentioned here, which I think is kind of cool. So go here, fills up, and fills up around here, and I guess it just circulates. So I thought that'd be pretty cool. So I'm gonna take some bleach, spray the whole thing down with bleach, and I'm gonna go ahead and hose it all down. I basically clean it all up, do it all up, and then after that I'm gonna have to give her a buzzy wuzzy to find out if she found the pump or not. If she didn't, it's no big deal. I'll still put it out into the front lawn, put some water in it, have the birds come down and bathe in it, drink out of it, whatever they want to do. So that's it for this video. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment about this video, please do so if you want to, comment box below. Hit that subscribe button so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. Until then, peace.